Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30282, the super secret police enforcer from the LEGO movie. If you enjoy this kind of video, these LEGO Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing a Polybag build-along, one a day, every day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's much more on the way. And there's actually been a bunch more in the past. If you think about it, I think this is day 130. So there's 129 more of these already up on YouTube if you are so inclined. I have a playlist for them somewhere. Should be linked at the end of the video if nothing else. So if you like this kind of thing, I have a decent number of them, and there's also a bunch more on the way. Alright, so let's put together our secret police cop first of all. And I gotta tell you, having just watched the first LEGO movie again recently, that was a very good movie. It was like surprisingly good. And the second LEGO movie was, well, it was still okay. It just wasn't the level of amazingness that the first one was. And maybe part of that was just the general surprise that the LEGO movie was as good as it was. Alright, so this is our guy so far. He's got some cool looking printing on his outfit. I gotta say, you might be able to use this for a neat, different look for a cop. I mean, you'd swap out like the head and the arms and stuff. But, yeah, something to think about. And he's got a dark helmet instead of a light one, and a visor. And this is like a tinted visor. No, it seems like a lot of them are clear visors. Alright, so this is our dude, and he gets something that looks surprisingly like a gun, which, you know, here we go. Alright, so this is our dude. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed the LEGO movie. And, well, of course the song is awesome. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And there's also a link to the set, for the set on Brickset, if you just want general information about it. Alright, so I'm kind of curious to see what this set actually does. It's looking sort of interesting so far. I'm hoping, I can tell you that it seems like a lot of the polybags that I'm not expecting to be particularly interesting have some neat design choices that they make. And I think that's what I've enjoyed most about the polybags, is that there are some of them that legitimately surprise me at how neat they are. Now, some are super disappointing, and I mean, I guess that's kind of just probably how all LEGO sets are. You have some that you're just like, wow, this is incredible, and then you have others where you're like, oh, that sucked. Alright, so we gotta put together some of these front things. Alright. Well, as I've done this before, not this particular thing, but as I've put together these sets before, I'm reasonably sure that there's going to be a right side and a left side. So let's do the left side while we're at it. The right side and the left side. But yeah, the LEGO movie. And it's like, I'm not a huge Will Ferrell fan for the most part, but I thought he was awesome in that movie too. I think I liked all of it. Alright, so that takes care of these. So you got controls and, I guess, lights, lasers. Alright, so we're going to have two of these hinges. Ah, the hinges. The best pieces ever. I do so love the hinges. Alright, so we got the hinges like so. And then two of the large, the 1x2 cheese slopes go on like that. And here's the other, like so. Is that all that stuff? Does appear to be all that. Alright. So that is taken care of. And now we pop these two things on top. So we're going to sort of maintain our angle, I'm guessing, by the cheese slope right there and this, which is pretty cool. So this is going to give us our, I guess, kind of flexible wings. Alright, so that's that. And then we pop this on right here. And this goes on the front. And this goes right here. So that gives us like the front of our thing. And then we're going to make our wings. Alright, so we're going to make our wings. And like that. And this. And these are sticking out this side. Is that right? They're sticking out that side? I guess so. So they're sticking out this side. Yeah, so that's that one. And that's this one. And then like these. Like so. Like that. And then this one gets the red light, and the cone. And this one's going to get the blue light. So these are going to be our red and blue cop lights. And the cone. And it looks to me like our extra pieces, since we're out, is these are our extra pieces. So we just got to pop this on our vehicle. And so this one goes on this side right here. Looks like this. Like that. And this one goes on this side. And then roll it down like that. So this gets us our sled thing. And then we put dude in the cockpit. Like so. That's not too bad. Kind of interesting. I mean, like I like the wing thing. I like the things with the little action you get from the wings. It's kind of neat. I feel like this particular technique would go nicely in like some kind of micro spaceship. Yeah, anyway. Neat. Let me know what y'all think. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.